St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month? PhilsGang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the PhilsGang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to PhilsGang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
When you hear all this talk about economic miracles right now, remember who started it. They run things into the ground and we have to come back and clean things up.
That's unbelievable, isn't it? Unbelievable. He may not want to be taking credit for this economy. Because remember, the economy that we're in is supposed to be so great is built on quicksand. So he's out there. What he's basically saying is, all the things I did not kick in to after I left office. The guy's a liar. He's always been a liar. There's two biggest lies going down in history. His lie about the fact that we can keep our insurance, remember?
If you like your doctor, you will be able to keep your doctor. If you like your health care plan, you will be able to keep your health care plan.
That was the biggest lie ever. Going down in history is the biggest lie told to the American people. No other lie was that big. There's a second one, though, that's almost as big that we're going to talk about today. The second lie is when we're at a point right now where all you're going to be hearing is these commercials about getting into an index annuity. Commercial after commercial, that's all you're going to hear. Buy an index annuity, buy an index annuity.
Have you been thinking about financial options for your retirement? We give you direct access to A-rated insurance carriers that have guaranteed annuity contracts. Let us help you simplify your retirement. With many different types of annuities to choose from, you can decide which type will best suit your lifestyle.
Now, these annuities, they always start pitching these annuities. Now, who are they? Your planners, your money managers, insurance salesmen. They are out in droves. They always start pitching when there's a fear of the market going down. Their big hook is, oh, not to worry. You only make money. You only share on the upside. You never share on the downside. That's the big hook. That's the big pitch. But unfortunately, by nature, people, when things are going well, like they have been since 2008, the stock market's up over 300%, they don't switch. Usually when they buy these shams, these index annuities, it's after the market crashes. And in 2008, all we heard They said to their planners, I just want to keep my money. I just want to keep my principal. I just want to keep my principal. Remember that? I just want to keep my principal. So most people don't buy these index annuities until after the crash. Now, let me explain what an index annuity is, because you're going to be hearing commercials like this till you're so sick of hearing them. What it is, besides a big lie, it's a contract between you and an insurance company. That's all it is, a contract between you and your insurance company. It's a guarantee by the insurance company that you will participate only in the upside of stocks. You will never participate in the downside. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? I mean, that sounds terrific. Think about it. Every time you invest in the stock market, you'll never have losses. They'll pay for the losses for you. That's the pitch. The insurance company. I never knew insurance companies were so nice. To me, insurance companies are just as bad as banksters. They're the worst insurance companies. They're jackals. They're unbelievable. Oh, but now we're to believe they're going to be so nice, they're going to cut you a deal that if stocks go down, you never lose. You participate in the upside. Now, if that was the case, if that was true, who would be in the stock? Nobody. Everybody would have an index annuity, right? I would have one. You'd have one. If we dug J.P. Morgan up, he'd second the motion. He'd get one. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. You got to read the fine print. Got to read the fine print. Didn't Obamacare sound terrific? Look what it is. It's a mess. Now, what Obamacare and index annuities have in common is the lack of transparency, and they were lucky when they sold them. Not only the lack of transparency, but people were naive. The American people were naive. When they sold Obamacare, matter of fact, they even came out and said that. They said, we were so lucky, but they didn't say naive. Obama and the guy who started the Obamacare program from Harvard came out and said, we're just lucky. The American people are so stupid. And we're lucky we didn't have any transparency for these things. Or we never got these things through. Well, it's the same exact thing. It's the same exact thing with annuities. But that big hook, people just can't stand it. It just drives them. I mean, the hook, the promise that you will only participate in the upside, the profits, never the downside. I mean, there's no better hook than that. It's unbelievable. It's a lie. It's a total lie. Here's how it works. Here's how it really works. The big lie inside the lie is that you never have to pay for the upfront commission. Never. The people who sell you this, your planner, your money manager, or the insurance guy that you're working with, who sells you this contract, is, oh, by the way, you don't pay my fee. Well, the reason they tell you that, because there is no fees as large as an annuity fee. Do you know what they get? They get 10 to 15% commissions. You buy a $200,000 index annuity, the guy who sells it to you up front gets think about it, $20,000. And at the end of 2008, planners, insurance salesmen, they loved it when they heard, I just want to keep my principal. I just want to keep my principal. I don't care. Give me anything just to make sure I guarantee my principal. Oh, that was music to their ears. They were making so much money. Everybody was out there selling index annuities. Oh, there's no risk. But remember, no risk, there's no gain. Here's how it works. You invest $20,000, and let's say it goes up 10%. The market goes up 10%. Well, you ordinarily think, well, I picked up $2,000. Well, there's a problem with that. You got to read the fine print. 50% of the $2,000 that you made, half always goes back to the insurance company. You got to pay half, whatever profit you make to the upside, half goes to the insurance company. And it gets worse. It gets worse. They also cap, again, you got to read the fine print, they also cap the amount of your return so they can collect the commission. So if someone sells you a $200,000 policy, the first thing they do is bring back your cap. So in other words, if the cap is 4%, and you buy a $200,000 insurance policy, right? This index policy, this guarantee you're never going to lose money on the way down. Well, they're going to make sure you pay for that fee. They tell you there's no fees. You don't pay for them, but you do. What they do is lower your cap from 4%, the return, meaning the amount of return that you can make. Instead of 4%, they'll lower it down to 1.5%, 2%. So that's how the insurance companies get you, without you even knowing, reimbursing them the commission they pay to your planner. But you're lied to every day by your planner, your money manager. Oh, you don't pay no fees. No, not at all. More when we get back on these annuities. They should be outlawed.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
If you're behind, and you know you're behind in your savings, you know you're behind from retirement, you haven't got enough retirement money, you're getting worried, and nobody helped you today. Did anybody help you today? Were you able to go to your mobile device today and say, what should I do with my stock? Did anybody do a video for you today? Did your planner, did your money manager, did the guy that's running your 401k, did he do a video for you today 3 times during the day, tell you exactly what to do with the stocks we're in? No. Now, when you join the gang, you can decide what you want to participate in. You can have the full schooling where you come to our class on a daily basis. That's done over the internet, of course. Or if you're a person that says, I just want you to make money for me because I don't have time to learn, and I have a program for that. And that's called my video stock program. So when the market goes up, you're going to make money. When the market goes down, you're going to make money.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert. It says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
St. Jude exceeds any expectation or any dream I could have ever had about a hospital. I was told we wouldn't get a bill. I didn't quite process that. How's this possible? It's possible through all the wonderful people who donate. I don't know if they are aware of what they do, but they're saving children's lives every day.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures. Saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com in 2018. Give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. So we're talking about, you're going to be hearing over and over and over these ads about annuities.
Have you been thinking about financial options for your retirement? We give you direct access to A-rated insurance carriers that have guaranteed annuity contracts.
Guaranteed annuity contracts. What a hook. The hook is you'll never lose money when the market goes down. Give me $200,000 and you'll never lose that $200,000. You'll keep that $200,000 principal. But when the market goes up, you make that money. Well, it doesn't work that way. That's a lie. Now, the first problem we talk about with these insurance companies is transparency, just like Obamacare had none. Here's what they don't tell you. The upfront commissions are huge. That's why everybody sells these things. 10%. So as I used before the break, an example, if you get a $200,000 annuity, this index annuity that guarantees you no losses, the guy who sells it to you immediately gets a $20,000 commission up front. But he tells you, don't worry, you're not paying for that. The insurance company's paying for that. And that's a lie, too. The insurance company's not paying for it. You're paying for it. And the way it works is when you buy one of these annuities, they cap your return, the return that you're going to get. So let's say they cap it at 4%, use 4%. Now, the way they get that back is they check, see, well, what's the commission? And they got to get that commission back. So unbeknown to you, they lower your return. They will lower it down to as much as 2.5%, 1.5%. That's how you pay for it yourself. What's even worse with these things, the average return for these index annuities, guaranteeing no losses, are so low. They're outrageously low. The commissions are outrageously high, and the returns are outrageously low, about 1.5%. That's it. They always set the cap, the insurance companies always set the cap, your return, what you will make, always below the rate of inflation. Now, think about this. So you agree that you will give up 50% of your income. Now, remember, when people became part of that crash and they lost their money, they just kept saying over and over, I want to protect my principal, I want to protect my principal. They go and they sign these things, and what they find out, when the market starts going up again, you have to give half of your gains to the insurance company, which all they do is go out and invest in the bonds. That's how they leverage you. That's how they protect themselves, which you could do the same thing without giving up 50% of your income. Can you imagine? You could go to an insurance, you could buy a bond on your own. But these guys take half of all the gains to the upside. So what you're doing is you're underwriting your own losses for the future. So you're taking, this is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. You just can't make any money. So here's the downside, more downside with these. Not only, when you start thinking about all the costs, there's tremendous costs in these things. There's all kinds of fees in this thing. There's, annual investment fee you have in these things, annual insurance fees you have. Just horrible. And then don't forget, one of the big things is your money. The actual money that you have in these things, remember, losing tremendous buying power because of the inflation. So when you're all done, the average, which people don't realize is, the average return you get is 1.5%. That's it. Now, about 62.3% of the participants, they want out after about 2.3 years. Of course, because now they start learning how this thing sucks. They got talked in this thing. They got hooked in with, oh, you never lose money. You just make money. When they find out the fees, they find out that they're paying for the commission. They find out they're subsidizing their own losses in the future by having to give up half of the gains to the insurance companies, and their returns are capped at 1.5%, 2.5%. 3.5%, but the average return is you can't make more return than 1.5%. So now they go from I just want to protect my principal to get me out of the scam. Well, guess what? There's more fees. There's more fees. When they saw the stock market going up every month, 20%, 30%, they want out. All of a sudden, it's no more. I just want to protect my principal. But then they get you again on the way out. When you want out of these things, they charge you huge amount of money. In the first 2 years, whatever your portfolio is worth, you have to pay 20, up to 15 to 20% in the first 2 years to get out. That's right. So they know the average person wants out in, let's say, about 2.3%, 2.5 years, say 2.5 years. The insurance company's already figured this out. So they make sure that the surrender fee that they're going to charge you is going to be 15 to 20% of the value of your portfolio. That's outrageous. Because they have the stats. They know most people leave. 62.3% of the people leave. So they get you again, and they get you again. Wow. So please, the next time you hear these ads, don't fall for them. When something sounds like it's too good to be true, it's too good to be true. Okay, the stock market is down 387 points again. We have this volatility. This morning, at 4:15 this morning, I'm watching as the European markets close. I start watching the futures, the implied open futures. Okay, we're down about 375. And then all of a sudden, around 8:30, 8:45, the implied open was positive, about 95, 100 points. Well, how'd you get from 375 negative around 4:30 in the morning to up positive 95 around 9:30? Because the plunger team every morning now, with 2 weeks left for the elections, they're always going to come out early in the morning and make sure we don't open up with a down market. They'll come out and they'll buy these index futures. We'll talk more about that and what stocks you should be in and what you should be doing with your money. Stop listening to these people.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable.
So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
If you're behind, and you know you're behind in your savings, you know you're behind from retirement, you haven't got enough retirement money, you're getting worried, and nobody helped you today. Did anybody help you today? Were you able to go to your mobile device today and say, what should I do with my stock? Did anybody do a video for you today? Did your planner, did your money manager, did the guy that's running your 401k, did he do a video for you today 3 times during the day, tell you exactly what to do with the stocks we're in? No. Now, when you join the gang, you can decide what you want to participate in. You can have the full schooling where you come to our class on a daily basis. That's done over the internet, of course. Or if you're a person that says, I just want you to make money for me because I don't have time to learn, and I have a program for that. And that's called my video stock program. So when the market goes up, you're going to make money. When the market goes down, you're going to make money.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
At philsgang.com, we teach you how to secure your financial stability. With a Phil's Gang membership, you will learn and understand how to invest in the stock market and how to keep those profits. Avoid the financial pain of 2008. Don't be exposed to losing your retirement nest egg. Take control and secure your investments with philsgang.com. Don't hesitate. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil's Gang. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Are you ready to get serious about your financial future? You know, reduce your debt, pay off those student loans, and prepare for retirement. Taking control of your finances can be intimidating, but with philsgang.com, you will be educated and guided to make smart investment decisions in the stock market. If the market is up or down, philsgang.com is the only source where you'll learn how to trade stocks and how to invest in the stock market using professional-level skills and strategies. For more information, go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
for economic growth. People's wages are finally going up. The economy's doing so well.
You talk about the Federal Reserve raising interest rates. They're raising interest rates for the right reason, because we have an economy that's growing gangbusters.
Unbelievable, isn't it? Isn't it just unbelievable, the lying?
The reality is we've got a very good economy right now. We have very good fundamentals.
And who's been telling you all along that all of that was not true? It was all built on a lie. It was all built on stock buybacks to grow the stock market, not the economy. The very wealthy, the 1%, they did well with the economy because they're the ones that own the banks. They're the ones who, again, own the big car dealerships. The very wealthy. As long as they were providing cars with 7-year, 8-year payments, almost no money down. How about school loans, student loans, providing student loans? I mean, think about this country. When Obama took over, he built the economy on the backs of the auto sales and student loans. That is the country. When Trump took over, that's what he took over. He took over a middle class that was declining. The middle class is the foundation of our country because they provide the small businesses. They provide the entrepreneurs. 99% of our entrepreneurs come from the middle class, not from the rich, not from the poor, but from the middle class. And Obama destroyed the middle class because he was trying to build a welfare class. He wanted a welfare class. That was his thing. Redistribution of wealth. He hated the middle class. He always hated the middle class. Like all socialists, you got to get rid of the middle class to have socialism. Put everybody on the same footing. Nobody makes more than anybody else. I mean, socialism is a terrible thing. Socialism is where you want to take from those who want to get ahead, the people who are rainmakers, they get up in the morning, they work. They work hard. They want to get somewhere. And then it's the socialists who don't want to work hard. It's the socialists who aren't ambitious. It's the socialists who just want to be ordinary. But when they see that money being created, they want it. They want it. So they take it from them and redistribute it to themselves. This one ad I talked about last week, Buchanan. He's running again he's our representative here in Florida, and they got an ad out. Do you have the cut on that ad? Maybe you can find Buchanan ad. I know this was ridiculous. They run an ad saying the reason the tax cuts benefited him, and he went out and bought a yacht. You don't go buy a yacht because of tax cuts. Nobody buys anything because of a tax cut. You buy things because you created wealth. You got to create the wealth first to enjoy the tax cut. If you have no wealth, the tax cut doesn't do anything for you. Doesn't do anything for you. So they run this ad over and over and over on TV. Oh, look at this. He's got a yacht. He cut taxes so he could buy a yacht. Listen to this thing if I can find it.
Representative Vern Buchanan owns several car dealerships that benefited from the tax plan.
Then the same day he voted to pass the tax plan, Vern Buchanan bought himself a new yacht.
The congressman bought the nearly $5 million yacht just hours after that bill passed.
Most Americans will pay.
All right, wait a minute. Watch how stupid this ad is. The people who made this ad are so stupid. Listen to what they say.
Representative Vern Buchanan owns several car dealerships that benefited from the tax plan.
Then the same day he voted to pass the tax plan.
Okay, so they're saying it's the tax cut that got him the yacht. But they also said he owns several dealerships. What got him that yacht was not the tax cut. What got him that yacht is when he started this printing business from nothing. He was a kid. And he starts working for minimum wage at this print shop. Before that, he was delivering newspapers. He came from a family that was a poor family. So he came up with the idea, and he worked hard, and he didn't want to be average. He took risk. It's just like these stupid annuities I just talked about. People, oh, yeah, I want that. I want to just make money when it goes up. I don't want to make money that goes down. Oh, you have a program like that? Can you imagine how stupid people have to be to believe that? Oh, you got a program that I never lose money when the market goes down. I only make it when they sign me up. And it's just the same stupidity that people believe because of a tax cut, he's got a yacht. No, it's because when he was a kid, he was poor. He started selling newspapers. From there, he got his job at a print shop, and he was an entrepreneur. He came up with an idea at the print shop, how to expand the business. And the owner was an entrepreneur. Listen to him. He was just a kid. And he built Speedy Printer all over the country, franchised them, made a fortune. It wasn't he didn't get the well, I see, if he got the tax cut when he was working for the printing company, that means if he got the tax cut while he's working for the print, this is so stupid I can't even say it. So people were saying, well, why don't you say this? Well, there was the tax cut that enabled him to buy it was the tax cut that enabled him to sell newspapers. It was the tax cut that enabled him to be an entrepreneur and to take a little printing business that hardly made $20,000 a year and build it into an empire. It was the tax cuts. No, it's not the tax cuts that made him an entrepreneur, that got him that yacht. It was hard work. It was sacrifice. It's risk-taking that most people don't want to do. That's why they run for these stupid annuities with these big hooks. Don't worry the market if it crashes. Hey, I'll guarantee you won't lose any money, and you only make up money to the upside. And this is what Obama wanted. See, he doesn't want people from the middle class. Matter of fact, do you know the middle class under Obama shrunk for the first time in our history? From 52% down to 42%. He killed the middle class. When you kill middle class, you kill entrepreneurs. When you kill entrepreneurs, you kill ideas. And as I said to you many times over, it's those small businesses, the entrepreneurs, that if these businesses weren't around, Oracle couldn't have grown. Cisco couldn't have grown. Intel couldn't have grown. Because the reason why Oracle and Cisco and Intel grows is because they go and buy these entrepreneurs, these businesses they start, who have more patents than they have. It's just unbelievable. So what are we going to do with this market? What's going on? Market's down 4. I told you on January 16th this was going to happen. So why don't you just join my gang? Look, we've been short. Even yesterday, I said, the day before, he said, why don't you join my gang? I got them in Caterpillar. And since Caterpillar turned red, you haven't got to know anything about Caterpillar. Nothing about Caterpillar. Since Caterpillar turned red, first of all, we were in Caterpillar when it was at $136. And then it turned red at $152. So 136 to 152, I think that's about an 8% return, something like that. And then it started to turn red. It's 11% return we had in Caterpillar. Now, not every gang member got 11%. Some got 5, some got 4, some got 2, some got 8, because not everybody gets in at the same time it turns green. But here's what's the important, not getting in immediately when it turns green, is once you get in, what's important is to get out and then turn around and short it when it turns red. And it dropped from $152 all the way down to $111. That's probably about 18% Caterpillar. And we caught it. So the idea, you don't have to know anything about Caterpillar. Nothing. You don't need to know its balance sheet. You don't have to need to know balance sheets. You don't have to know anything about the company. Just follow the color code. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now. Please try it for 1 month and help St. Jude.
Want more information? Provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the
Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. Just a few. Specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
St. Jude exceeds any expectation or any dream I could have ever had about a hospital. I was told we wouldn't get a bill. I didn't quite process that. How's this possible? It's possible through all the wonderful people who donate. I don't know if they are aware of what they do, but they're saving children's lives every day.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures, saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grant at philsgang.com. You know, we raise money every day for St. Jude, and we need your help. And I will reach out to you and help you learn how to invest in stocks. It's a whole new game out there. No more is there investing in stocks based on fundamentals. Those days are gone, totally gone. So look, join my gang, philsgang.com. I'll help you, and then you help St. Jude. Learn how to use a chart.
Sign up today. Simply go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Then go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. Now, here's Phil.
Caterpillar has its best third quarter in the company's history.
So one of the
and that stock, I'm sorry, is down 11% since the earnings report.
There's no sensible human who would be making these sell decisions. When we're looking at CAT and they've got 8 to 10% earnings growth ahead of them and they're trading at 10 times earnings and they have these out of the park earnings calls, it's got to be robo-based, artificial intelligence-based.
Oh my God, no, it's not robo-based or artificial intelligence-based with Caterpillar. It's very simple. The institutions, the biggest hedge funds, the biggest insurance companies, the 9 biggest banks in our country pulled their money out of Caterpillar, and it went down. It went down. Yesterday, Payne was going crazy. He said, I can't figure it out. He said, I went through the balance sheets. I went through all the balance sheets. I did all the numbers. Shouldn't be going down. Well, it goes down when you take money out. If you listen to stories to buy a stock, that's what they try to tell you. They try to tell you stories like Kramer. He always tells you a story why you should buy the stock. You always have, I met with the guy. I know the CEO. I know they're going to China. I know this, that. No! You don't have to know anything about stocks to make money. All you need to know is, when do I take my money and put it in with the institutions? When do I take my money out with the institutions? I want to be going in with them and out with them. And I've realized that. I realized that for years. I'm going, As I said, I've been in this market over 40 years. I've been on this earth 72 years. And a long time ago, I kept saying, how can people not make money when the market goes up 72% of the time? How? It's impossible. How can people not make money when in the last 80 years, the market has only gone down with a major correction? We've only had 7 corrections in 80 years. And 72% of the time, the market goes up. And the answer came to me. And that's when I developed my chart. The answer came to me is because, just like Caterpillar, when they pull their money out, you get out. But no, why did they stay in? Because, like Payne says, he's going through, I don't know if you can find that for yesterday. Oh, right here. Listen to what he's saying, why he's all confused about Caterpillar.
Let me tell you something. Caterpillar is getting crushed today. I'm so confused. I went through the income statement. I went through the balance sheet. I didn't listen to the conference call, but...
Look, he says he went through the balance sheet. He went through all the financials. I didn't do any of that. All I know that we were in Caterpillar when it was $130. It turned green. It went from 130 up to 153. That was about an 8% gain, I think. Okay, let's see, about a 17% gain. 17% gain. Now, I'm not saying all gang members got in exactly when I got in, but let's say they got half of it. Let's say they got 8% of it. The important thing is not if they got 17% gain or 10% gain or 5% gain in Caterpillar. The thing was, when they saw it turn green, it identified the institutions were putting money in. But more important, the most important, is on Tuesday, October 9th, it turned red. Then we waited one more day. It was red again for confirmation. I didn't go and read the financials, the balance sheets. I didn't read any of that. So while it dropped down, Caterpillar dropped down about 20%, Payne, the genius, is sitting, he's thumbing through the financial sheets. He's thumbing through the balance sheets. He's thumbing through the 10K. He's going through. Well, who cares? Well, maybe they got a shipment of steel in late or something. It's got to be in the balance sheet. Maybe they got a shipment of steel in late. That way they couldn't produce these bulldozers they're sending over to Taiwan. Who cares? The institutions, please listen to me. The institutions, the biggest banks, the biggest insurance companies, the biggest hedge funds, they're paying people millions and millions of dollars to do research. And when you see them pull their money out, it's a result of that research. So it doesn't make common sense. It did to me. That's why I built my chart. So if it turned red, and Goldman Sachs and J.P. Morgan and Morgan Stanley is paying $22 million a year to these geniuses that they graduated from Harvard and from Yale with master's degrees to follow these companies to find out when they're pulling their money out. Let them do the balance sheets. How the balance sheets work out for Payne? He got confused.
Let me tell you something. Caterpillar is getting crushed today. I'm so confused. I went through the...
So he's got everybody in Caterpillar. It's going down. They're getting killed. I got people in Caterpillar, but shorting it. The opposite. Shorting it. That's just one. Take all the home builders. I said the home builders are going to get crushed. They're going to get crushed. Listen, and when we got into home builders, we got into the home builders about about 3 months ago. But here, let's just take Toll Brothers. Just take Toll Brothers. So Toll Brothers, we saw the money starting to come out on September 19th. It was around $36, and now today it's down to 29. So okay, so it's 36 down to 29. So it went down 19%. So I spotted on my color-coded chart. It was green. It was green from August 24th, and it stopped turning green, turned red September 19th. I didn't look at their balance sheets. I didn't go through their 10Ks. I didn't do any of that. All I saw, it turned red. So I said to my gang members, let's sell short. The institutions are pulling the money out. So now it's down. Would you say it's down about, say, 20%? And we're still in it. We're still in it. And yesterday, in fact, I said, let's start taking some profits because they're going to try to snap these back. And yesterday, sure enough, they tried to snap these stocks back. We had the profits in our pocket. And I said, when we make new lows, we'll go in and slam them again. It's that easy. But every day when I tell you, why don't you join my gang? Just try it for a month. Just follow the video stocks. These are for people who have no time, don't want to learn anything. They just want to make money. Okay, so I said, then let's give it to them. Then let's give these people who don't want to do anything, don't want to work, don't want to put any time in this, let's give them it. We'll just tell them, okay, get in, because it's turned red, we want you to sell it short. Okay, or get in, it's green, it's going up. Now get out, it's red. And we do that through a video. Every day we give you the buy, the sell, and we even give you a run like hell order. Okay? Get out of Dodge, move, run like hell. Why don't you try it for a month? That's all. It works. So now we got, for example, I knew at the same time, look, it's pretty easy to figure out. We got interest we have hell of a headwind. While Payne and Varney and Maria Bartiromo and all those guys on CNBC and Bloomberg's were telling us this is the greatest economy that ever happened to us. The greatest economy. Listen to this here. This is unbelievable. Where's the cut where he goes, here we are here.
If you're just looking at earnings themselves, I thought they were pretty fantastic.
We're just blowing it out on the earnings side.
Earnings just continue to move higher.
Earnings are still very solid.
Earnings are very solid. Earnings really solid, so just buy. Earnings are solid.
We got revenue misses from Hilton, Texan, Illinois Tool.
Sales falling short at UPS.
I mean, when you're looking at some of the numbers that we're getting out of the earnings, you'd think the market would be doing far better than it is right now.
Literally.
Listen, the earnings are a bunch of nonsense. It's not like it used to be. You know where they get the earnings from? What they do with earnings is they do stock buybacks. Stock buybacks creates earnings, phony earnings. And the minute you have phony earnings, which we've had for the last 8 years, and you're building a bubble, when the interest rates start going up, those earnings are fake. And when you start paying instead of zero on your money, if you're a big institution, you're a big corporation, you're borrowing up to your necks, you're going to debt because it's free money, and then all of a sudden the interest starts going up. You're dead. You're dead. And they got so greedy, they're so addicted. They've been so addicted to stock buybacks. These CEOs, they're addicted. They're like heroin addicts. They couldn't stop themselves. Now all of a sudden, interest rates go up. That's a headwind. Interest on our national debt in 2017 was $263 billion. It's going now in 2018 to $475 billion. But guess what? The United States had to reduce its investments by 45% because the interest rates are going up so much they can't invest. And they're telling us this is the best economy in the world? When the United States had to reduce investment by 45%, what are you, nuts? Look at 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Try one stock with me, just one. And please remember St. Jude, just one stock. It's not about fundamentals, it's about money in and money out. Try it, you'll love it.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to make my dreams.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for